Have you ever settled in for a movie night only to find yourself squinting, distracted by reflections, or just feel like something's off? Now, you've got yourself the home theater of your dreams, you've got the big screen, you've got the best sound, but something is off. You can't put a pin on it, but the experience in its whole is just not there. Well, today we're going to discuss the truly unsung hero of the cinematic experience, the lighting. And it's not just about turning the lights on and off. It's about strategically placing your lights, your home theater lights, where they're useful, and it enhances every frame that you view, reduces eye strain, and makes your movie night an unforgettable experience. Whether you have a dedicated home theater, a living room, or a cozy bedroom, I have a solution for you, and here we go. To truly master your home theater experience, you need to understand the four core lighting categories. Think of it like building a perfect cinematic cake, layer by layer. So these are the four core lighting categories: ambient light, task light, accent light, and bias light. So first up, we have ambient light. Now, the ambient light is about the general illumination of your room, the general mood that is of your room. We're talking about things like recessed ceiling lights or cove lights that washes your wall or your ceiling with a soft glow. Now, the key over here is dimmability. You need to be able to dim these lights all the way up to, let's say, 1%. So for a truly cinematic feel and that cozy atmosphere, you need to choose a light over here, which is between 2700 and 3000 Kelvin temperature. And this is key. It should be gentle on your eyes and it should be relaxing, which sets the mood for your entire home theater. The second is task lighting. Now, this lighting is for your convenience. It's about safety and convenience. Think of when you go to a cinema and you have lightings on the steps. Similarly, you should have soft lighting wherever you feel that you need to do any task. So let's say you have a table full of chips. You can have a small light which gives a very dim glow. Or let's say you have cup holders. You can have LED lights inside the cup holder or underneath the armrest, which illuminates the seat. Now, these task lights are basically for you to do your tasks around when you're watching the movie without disturbing anyone or without breaking the entire mood for the cinema that you're watching. The goal over here is low, subtle light. It has to be low lumens. It has to give you where exactly you're putting your hand out. And it's basically for convenience. So you have to think as to what are the touch points at your place and then illuminate them accordingly. Now we have for the flare, accent light. This is where you highlight architectural features. You add some drama to your space. For example, highlighted movie posters or artwork or wall scones that go up and down on the walls, which diffuse light. Accent lights aren't about brightness. It's about creating drama and flair in your space so that you enhance the room's aesthetics. And finally, we have a game changer for your eyes as well as your picture, bias lighting. Now, bias lightings are only for your screen, be it your TV or your projector, which are put behind so that you have a glow behind your screen and it reduces eye strain. Now, apart from reducing eye strain, it also enhances contrast levels or the perceived contrast. So it makes your blacks look deeper and your colors more vibrant. For bias lighting, you need to have only white LEDs. Do not go for any colored LEDs over here and strictly go for 6500 Kelvin. This is key. And this matches how most TVs are calibrated and it mimics natural daylight, which gives you the most accurate and comfortable viewing experience. Avoid colored bias lighting. For serious viewing, just go for white. Now let's talk about two critical design principles. The first one being the ability to control natural light, and the second being reducing glares and reflections. So natural light is the enemy of any good home theater, and you have to invest in good blackout curtains or blinds. And this is key. You need to have the ability to control how much natural light is going into your area. If natural light gets into your area, it will cause reflections, it'll wash out the colors, and it'll be a big distraction. So first rule, eliminate all natural light at all costs. Second, we have glare and reflections. Now, glare and reflections are immersion killers. So in order to avoid them, the first thing that you can do is strategic placing of your light sources. There should be no light source that is directly aimed at your TV. All light sources should be going up and down, nothing directly on the TV screen itself. Think of light cones that go up and down, illuminate your wall, but they are away from the TV. So nothing should be in, let's say, 4 feet of vicinity of the TV, and most light sources should be behind the TV instead of in front of the TV. And the second way to do it is material choices. Now, over here, you should not have reflective materials in front of the TV. If you do need to put reflective materials, try to put them behind the TV. And black or dark colored materials should be placed in front of your TV in order to reduce reflections. Now, with all of these principles, you have to adjust to what kind of space you are using, whether it's a dedicated home theater, a living room, or a bedroom. It depends how much light you want to introduce into your space, and then accordingly, the four core lighting categories, they need to be adjusted. So if you have control over these lights, then you can control your space as well. And in turn, you will control your immersion with your home theater experience as well. So there you have it. Home theater lighting is more than just flipping a switch. It's about carefully placing each and every light source so that your immersion is peaked and you get the best possible experience for your home theater, which you have spent so much on, and you should be able to enjoy the maximum of it. Let me know in the comment section below if you've liked this video or if you have any questions.